In this video you will learn 13 ways to make your crush fall in love with you, without saying any word. Number 7 is my personal favorite, and number 11 will blow your mind. Don't miss any. And, let's start. Number 1. Play hard to get. According to Science Daily, playing the good old hard to get routine will work. You don't have to act like someone you aren't or say things you wouldn't normally say, but you don't have to say everything that comes to mind either. You want to leave some things as a mystery, something your crush will have to figure out for themselves. Be playful and flirty with everyone if you want to effectively pull this off. As mentioned, you don't want to be someone you aren't. If you aren't a very social person, this technique wouldn't be the right one for you, but you could do it if you already have a very social personality. Just act like yourself, and you'd pull it off with ease. Number 2, start to talk aloud about a sexy dream you had. This might sound weird, but it will work like magic. Don't reveal too much. Make him or her want to know more about what you are speaking about. This will open up their curiosity loop, and from here you can make your way into his or her heart. Be playful, make the story funny and interesting, make people laugh. This will show that you are a social person who is socially attractive. Number 3, wear your invisible crown. Remember that confidence is sexy, so be comfortable with your own skin. Be proud of who you are. Show how much you enjoy the things that you love doing. Embrace your imperfections and stay confident. Your crush might find you so attractive, seeing how confident you are as a person. Number 4, stay independent. Being independent is one of the best qualities a person can have. Show your crush just that, how you can accomplish things without relying on other people, how you can decide on your own, how you stand for what you believe in, and what you think is right. Your crush might get impressed seeing how strong and independent you are. Number 5, make eye contact, and lots of it. Eye contact is one of those things that will never go out of fashion. So much can be said with just a glance across the room. So it's no wonder that if you're trying to get your crush to notice you, or even get the hint that you love them, using the magical power of your eyes might just do the trick. As psychologist explains, maintaining eye contact with someone creates a calming, connected state of being that, after 30 to 60 seconds, triggers oxytocin release. As you experience this chemical surge each time eye contact is maintained, those small boosts can add up to a sustained good feeling. And honestly, you don't have to batter your eyelashes at them or stare until they get freaked out. Just a lingering look will be enough to send their mind racing. Number 6, trigger their hero instinct. If you want your crush to fall in love with you, then you need to tap into some psychology. You may have heard about the hero instinct. It's a new concept in relationship psychology that's generating a lot of buzz at the moment. It goes to the heart of why some men fall deeply in love with some women, while others want to remain friends. What it boils down to is that men have a biological drive to provide for and protect the women they care about. They want to step up to the plate for them in a way no other man can. In other words, men want to be your everyday hero. I personally believe that there is a lot of truth to hero instinct. By triggering his hero instinct, you can make sure that his urge to provide for and protect is directly squarely at you, and not some other girl trying to capture his heart. Number 7, dance. Dancing is something that everyone loves. If you know the great dance moves, I guarantee that your crush will fall in love with you. I personally used this trick many times, and it works like magic. If you are at a club or something and don't know this person very well, this is a great move. You can really catch their attention by dancing in front of him or her. Number 8, talk to your friends in front of your crush. If he or she overhears you, you can say whatever you want them to know in front of them. Just speak your mind. Talk about your hobbies and interests, and show him or her what you are passionate about. Number 9, look hot at all times. People fall in love based on looks alone. Have you ever fallen in love with someone because of this? It's a great strategy. Just put your sexiest foot forward when you are around your crush, and they'll know that they share an interest in one another. Number 10, be persistent but not pushy. Don't be a pushover. While you want to make an impression, you can't just demand something from someone who hasn't said yes or no yet. Instead, show them that you're committed and that you'll continue to pursue them until they finally give in. For example, keep asking them to hang out. Come up with a new idea every time. By doing so, you'll see that they'll eventually cave in and agree. Number 11, don't act as if you're perfect. Share your flaws and imperfections. Because no human is perfect, don't act as if you were. Just be yourself and let your crush know about your faults and weaknesses. This will make you more relatable and likable. They'll see that you're just a regular person, like them, and this will attract them even more. Number 12, use social media to your advantage. Use social media to your advantage. Social media is a great way to stay connected with your crush. Try to find out what their interests are and follow them on Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platforms they use. Post interesting and fun stuff about yourself that will make them want to know more about you. But be careful not to seem too needy or desperate. So, interact with your crush just as if they're just someone you're interacting with online. This will make you more visible to them, and it'll show that you're interested in them. It may even help you start a conversation with them. Number 13. Wear colors your crush often wears. Wearing colors that your crush likes will subconsciously make them attracted to you. So, if they wear a lot of blue, wear blue. If they wear a lot of green, wear green. It's as simple as that. Not only will you be wearing colors they like, but you'll also be subconsciously sending them the message that you like them too. Humans tend to associate certain colors with certain emotions. So, wearing colors that your crush likes will make them feel good, and they'll subconsciously associate those positive feelings with you. Making your crush fall in love with you is not a hard thing, but it is a tricky process, which need to be performed carefully. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, share it with someone who needs this. Thanks for watching.